Hello and welcome to the next project. Today I will show you how you can use tattoos on your JESMONITE products. So the first step is, like always, measuring liquid, measuring powder, mixing together. You can use how much pigment you want of your own. You can also measure it on JESMONITE calculation to know exactly how much you need. I will look for very light color, so I will go first with few drops. So I will mix it out of camera, just fast, and then I show. So this is a 5 drops in 277 grams of liquid. So that's what I look for, this baby blue color. And now I will mix it all together. Bigger one. Okay. And here is the last one. So I'm back for unmolding. It's slightly warm. I have again the same problem. Okay, I will let it dry. We will see how it will work. This one also. Something with my silicone molds. I have to check them. Now I will have to let it dry. Okay, we have to let it dry because how you can see it has marks everywhere. So, and it's still a little bit wet, so we cannot use it like this. So I will come back tomorrow and we will see how it looks when it dries up. So I'm back and now I will show you how you can do a really nice technique. So first of all, you need the tattoos. That's a body tattoo. I got these ones on Amazon. I got them in sheets. Some of them, like these ones, they was pre-cut, which was great. My goodness, yes. But then came these ones in a sheet and I had to cut them by myself. So I have a lot. Each is different. You don't get the same ones. So just be aware of it. But these big ones, I adore them. Look at them. They are just wonderful. Okay. So how can you work with it? Because how you can see, I have here little some flecks, some spots. Again, I don't know why. But I wanted to show you how you can do this. So I have here the ocean or sea. So first of all, you have here the foil on it. You have to remove this. See this? You have to remove it. And now we will need to place this exactly where we want. I would like to have it somehow in the middle, like that. Hopefully it is good enough. And I have here this little piece of sponge. I will make it wet. Should release by itself. It's like if you remember when we were small kids, we was eating chewing gums. There we had this arm tattoos which you glued, you put a little bit of water on it, and it stick to your arm. That's exactly the same. So let me search my water and I will show you. So I found it. I will make my sponge bed just here out. And you can see it's already showing up. And like this, just chup chup chup. Nothing difficult. Just make it good wet. That's important. And when you get the sheets, the full sheets, cut it around. Because every of the tattoo have little glue here around. And that's not what we really want. So cut it where it's necessary. And that's it. So you can see this was pretty fast, I would say. It took maybe 10 seconds. Now we let it dry, but do not let it dry too long. If you let it too long dry, the color here will start shrinking, like breaking, shrinking. So let it dry just a little bit and then we seal it. And I will prepare my sealing. Because this is a small trinket tray, I will not use the waterproof sealer, but I will use now this one, the acrylic gloss sealer. So you see how it's shining a little bit? That's the glue which is on it, which we will now seal it. So I will put a little bit of my sealer here. How you can see, this one is much thicker. If you saw my previous videos with this sealer, it's different. This one is looking more transparent. This one is more white. Stop it. It's more watery. Sorry, my light was going off. Just what I do not suggest, do not use for these tattoos this sealer, else you will break the tattoo. So this one is great for stuff like this, simple stuff, but not with some design like that. Okay. So, and we go just carefully over it. That's enough. I will just do the corners. Just to be sure that I'm in the corners here. I'm just trying to do the bottom here, but it's a little bit difficult because I cannot turn it around. So okay. I will put it on this silicone mold because this one is great. This one is so thick. It's really great, like a holder. Okay, I will let it a little bit dry. You see how you can see the lines here everywhere. I will let it dry for a few minutes, like this, and then I will do second layer. I think I don't need to do the bubbles anymore, but the middle. So let's do the second layer. This time I will do only the middle. I will not do the balls. I would like to show you how it looks after around 1 week of drying. So that is the end result, and I think it's really stunning. You see, and now I can even scratch it with my nail. I do it really strong and it holds thanks to the sealer. So let me know if you will try it also and if you like this technique.